A new product that will allow older people to downsize out of their home to a smaller home is to be launched by Bank of Ireland at the start of next year. Now, this has the potential to be very controversial because some people see any mention of downsizing, as it's called, or trading down, as some kind of an insult, as if older people are being made feel guilty for living on their own. But there are a lot of older people who are rattling around in large homes the family have left to set up on their own, and the heating bills are expensive, the houses are older. They may welcome if there was an alternative for a newly built A-rated for energy home that they could move to. Now, this product that Bank of Ireland is launching will allow them to do that. It's a kind of a structured like a bridging finance loan, which we really haven't had much of that in this market for a long time. It's called Trade Down. It will be available to existing customers of Bank of Ireland and other banks. It's like a traditional bridging loan, but it's there to allow you to use the security of the new home that you're buying to help you buy a new property. Both properties will serve as security for the loan. So it's not like you're taking out a mortgage application, which is a problem with an ICS product that there is out there called bridging finance. The interest rate is hefty, it's 7%. And it should help people who think it's a good idea to maybe move out of a big home that's too big for them at the moment and to a smaller, more suitable home. But it's bound to be controversial. Some people will see it as an attempt to kind of force them to move out so families with young kids can move into the house. On the other hand, this could be a good option for some older people who would get out of a house with high maintenance and expensive electricity bills, and they'd still have some money left over. It's due to be launched at the beginning of next year. Housing Minister James Brown, in his recently launched latest government housing plan, promised options would be delivered to ensure that people would be able to, as he put it, right size by moving from a larger home to a smaller one.